welcome back to another day with Money Finance Freedom, your ticket to financial freedom. Now, today we're going to be talking about a little bit of an edge play, and that edge play is Titan Medical. Now, before we get into it, we want to look at the overall market trend. Now, we're always looking at the S&P 500 ETF trust. It just shows us how the US market is doing. The reason why this is important today is we want to understand what industries have done the best coming out of the pandemic. You know, in mid-March, we had a big shot off, and we noticed a lot of our stocks dip. Out of that, the EV industry has boomed, the solar industry has boomed, and a couple other innovative industries have really skyrocketed and upheld the economy. Oil is low, some of our mineral investments are low, most of our primary investments that we are looking for in the future are still down. But we can look towards new industries that are getting a lot of funding over the past few months, and see where our money can go and suit us best. Now, Titan Medical is just that pick. Because they're in the medical industry, we know with COVID and the pandemic, we're looking into how to invest into our future and to how to make us safer, healthier, and happier. Now, if we take a look at Titan Medical's website, it's pretty nice. Side note there, they have a really good, clean website. Now, this attracts people when they come to it because they have a very simple layout, it's easy to read. But we want to get into what does Titan Medical do. Titan Medical is focused on robotic surgery. In the future, this could actually be a big help to us as it'll reduce recovery times for a lot of their surgeries. It requires minimally invasive surgery, so it means they don't have to make as large of an incision when performing their tasks. Now, robotic surgery has been around for a while, so Titan Medical is by no means industry leading or creating their own industry, but what's important is that they're still developing. Robotic surgery, the way it is today, requires really large, clunky machinery that one, costs a lot, and two, takes up a lot of space within the facility. It's hard to maneuver, it's hard to manage, and it's hard to take care of. So what we know is that there's a lot of room for growth. We saw a similar thing with the EV industry. There were a lot of cars that ran off battery power, but Tesla was able to make the industry better. They were able to improve on old designs and make the market theirs. Titan Medical has that opportunity. Am I saying they're going to be the next Tesla? Absolutely not. But they are a relatively cheap penny stock that we can put our extra funds into and see how they grow. Now, you're going to see the difference between their robotic surgery and others is that their machines are much smaller, easy to use, and you can be in the same room, whereas with some of the other robotic machines, they're so large that very few people can be in the room because they have swinging arms and they can get in the way of surgery. As we move down here, I love this image right here. Their robotic surgery arms are more like small little snakes. What this allows them to do is have precise movement throughout surgery. When you're able to do this, you're able to minimize risk to the patient, minimize invasiveness, and you're able to open up the overall surgical field to the doctors and surgeons. Now, Titan Medical is going to put more and more money into this, and they've actually been selling off stocks recently to invest more money into their creations. They're going to have more robotic surgery designs and elements in this company as they grow, and that's why we're okay with a sell-off of stock. We want to see this happen with an innovative company. Tesla did the same thing, and a lot of innovative industries, they need to sell off their stock as it rises to invest that money back into the company and back into the development. Now, feel free to go back into the Titan website and see everything that they have to offer. Again, this is my research. I want you to do your own. This is not financial advice by me. This is just me telling you what I think will be the next great stock. So real quick, we're going to do a technical analysis of the Titan stock. And what we're going to notice is that they have a really volatile stock. Now, with Titan Medical, if I can find them, Titan Medical. Okay, back on track there. So Titan Medical, we're looking at the last year-to-date graph of this company. Now, with any penny stock, but most importantly, a medical penny stock, we're going to see extreme volatility and we're going to see these large pumps. Now, hopefully this isn't a pump and dump. We have to keep a close eye on it if we're going to put our money in. But noticing these large $1 changes in stock price, if not more, is really nice to see when it happens more than once. We're going to see a $1 increase, a small drawback. Now, this is over 50 cents of a drawback, but when I say small, it's important because with penny stocks, we usually see a large skyrocket and it's going to pull all the way back down to its baseline, which would be down at 0.24. We see it stay steady at the 70 cents range, and we see another pump, leveling out, another pump, leveling out, and another pump. What this tells us is not only do we have satisfied investors, we have long-term investors. Volume has been spiking randomly throughout the year, but that's going to be important because we know more and more people are catching wind of the Titan Medical stock. So everybody keep an eye out for Titan Medical. They could be a big player in the future, and they could help you 10x your money, and that's the beauty of a penny stock. Please remember to like and subscribe to the channel. We will be offering more videos like this on a daily to weekly basis. Please let me know in the comments what you want to see more of. Have a great day, guys.